You have a burning desire and you are not going to follow the rules of the world. And therefore, you now step in to say, look here, I want my desires to be achieved, accomplished at any cost. Krishna says, such an attitude will slowly convert your mind. First, your mind will be affected, and you will become a deluded person. So, a desire without dharma leads to the first stage of delusion. So, a non dharmic desire will transform the mind. Look here, come what may, I have to get it. So, it slips you into the state of delusion. Once this delusion becomes stronger and stronger, Krishna says, it transforms you into demonic. You become a demon. So, delusion transforms you into a demonic mind. And remember, demonic mind, acts done in a demonic way, will give you short success, will give you immediate success. But someone will eventually embrace defeat. Your demonic act leading to defeat will agitate your mind and make you more and more desperate. Desperation. And desperation will transform you into a person of deceit. You will start deceiving. It will lead you to deceit. The moment somebody becomes very deceitful, this is a stage. See, God gives you an opportunity to return back at every stage, but we don't. The mind will influence you to go forward because you are succeeding somewhere in some way, big or small. So you feel that you can trigger it more, you can escalate it more, and spread this question of delusion everywhere. So your desperation leads you to deceit. And Krishna says, once you reach the state of deceit, your downfall is certain thereafter. It leads to destruction. All are these: desire, delusion, demonic, defeat, desperation, deceit, then downfall, disaster, or destroy, whatever you may call it. Fill your heart with love. It's the first step. Fill your mind with courage. See, for a young lawyer, you need not be very educated. You need not be very talented. You need not be a genius. You must have determination, courage, and perseverance to learn. So, few carry-on tips as a professional. One, never get into any comparison trap. You are what you are, somebody is what they are. One of the leading senior counsels said this to me a few days back when we were together somewhere in a matter. Venkatramana, see, whether it's an architect or whether it's a doctor or any profession, all of them will be doing their work in their places. Whereas court is the only place all the professionals assemble in one place, in one particular building. So we see each other. So the tendency to compare is enormous. Very natural truth. Don't get into this trap. You are what you are. Be very happy about what you are doing rather than feeling sad as what you have not done and somebody else is doing. You will neither appreciate him or her nor feel happy about yourself. So don't do that. Two, you have to stay on course and you should be respected, and therefore you can be very, wherever needed, you can push yourself and assert, this is what I want to convey. But never be arrogant, either to your friends in the court or to your opponent when you argue the matter or with the judge. Three, strategy to every case is very, very important. Strategies are very, very important for a lawyer. When you start doing big matters, this is very important. Then, next, always speak less. Except in court, avoid speaking anywhere else because court corridors carry years. Never stay and loiter in the veranda. Never stay in the tea stall or canteen and start chatting about yourself, others, judges, cases, clients. Speak only in court and speak very less outside. It's a very important temperament. Three, and last, when you start doing, see, lawyers' life is today you'll be on the rooftop, next day you'll be biting the dust. So, success and failure is part of lawyer's life. When you lose a case, learn to lose it with dignity. Don't fight with a judge at any point of time. Two things, you will confront worthy opponents, unworthy opponents, you will confront big, everybody has to face hurdles in life. When you realize somebody cannot be controlled at all, don't attempt to control that event or that person in your life. That's a test you have to pass. Leave it there. He is uncontrollable towards you, you leave it there. Allow things to happen. Don't attempt. Never try to fight a powerful person in the system. These are words of Alkiwala. Never fight institutions and people who are in power. It's a lesson you have to learn. If you fight, you can never win a powerful person, you can never win an institution. You as an individual will ultimately get crushed. So you have to be very prudent there. And the final message which I thought I leave with this. As lawyers, we are bound to face obstacles, and as lawyers, we are bound to face enemies in life. And the only way to get over that is as long as you fight just causes, and as long as you fight it with a selfless motive of duty spirit, God is there to. You can't eliminate enemies or obstacles. It's not possible in a lawyer's life. But God will act as an obstacle to ensure these obstacles and these enemies do ward off in life, and you will be able to carry on what you want.